Hi, welcome to Hard Reads Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy F34, and I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. Niagara Launcher is a really great and beautiful launcher with a beautiful minimalistic interface. Here on the home screen we have applications, favorite applications, and here we have all our applications. You wanna open the YouTube, of course, it's very fast to use, to organize. You wanna open the, messages, it's here. Messenger, messages, maps, all applications starts with M. You wanna open the assistant is here. You wanna open Gmail is here. So it's very easy and you can do it with one move. You don't need to open my menu, open the search and do something. All you have here. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher. I can set this launcher on the first place, but unfortunately here we have prime features we need to pay for them. For example, we need to pay for creating smart groups. We can create normal groups, normal folders, but if you want to create a smart group, you need to pay for it. For example, here we have applications, so contacts, internet, games, media, utilities and settings. It's automatic groups. Here we have hilarious, really great and giant wallpapers jewelry that updating every day. This jewelry updating collection every day. It looks here we have really beautiful wallpapers. You can set it up for free, of course, but if you want to use live wallpapers, you need to pay for it too. So unfortunately I can't set this launcher on the first place. But on the first place in my humble top is Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher is good launcher by default, but not beautiful. But not in our case, because here we have Samsung device, and Samsung collaborates with the Microsoft to create good soft, and in our case we have really good soft. So Microsoft with Samsung creates Microsoft Launcher. You can download from the Play Store, and it have normal Samsung Launcher appearance, but with all Microsoft Launcher features. So in the main menu we have alphabetical lines, search, voice search, Bing search. We have hidden apps feature. On the left panel we have glance panel. In glance we can set up all widgets we need to not swipe between thousands of home screens. We can set up gestures, for example, open something by double tap, triple tap, tap with 2 fingers, 3 fingers, swipe up, swipe down, double swipe, double. So you can set it up in the way you want and automate your workflow or study flow. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.